this opportunity to appreciate really our nurses who really support and cooperate in my time of 3 months as a director of nursing. And we make awards for everyone, appreciation also for the nurses that we really appreciate their efforts and their tireless effort for everyone, for the patients also. The certificate is proudly presented to individual named above, given this day, May 12, 2025, for demonstrating exceptional cooperation and adaptability amidst changes within our department. On behalf of the Nursing Administration, we sincerely appreciate their continued support and valuable contribution to the nursing department. Ms. Deepa Sanishan.
Dear, you should be the one who will award the certificate.
I will send one more. Really one more. Thank you for this. Thank you very much.
Ama, thank you so much for sponsoring the flowers for nurses. Thank you so much, sir. Take picture of us. Why go? Why? Ate, copy. There's copy. There's a picture of me.
Pero kung hindi mo
Lifetime best nurse.